Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're unpacking a brand new pair of Styrian Gaiters, or Gamashing. I obtained these from Peaky Shop, so they were quite affordable, and after close inspection I found the hardware and materials were surprisingly quite high quality. Thank you to my friend Razor for directing me to this item. I will show you how to put these on, as there exists no video online until today. Starting off, I like to tuck my pant legs into my socks to keep everything neat and tidy. It also prevents the pant leg from falling or loosening out from under the gaiters while you're on the move. Next off are your boots. Virtually any German-style low boot will be compatible with these gaiters. I am using your typical early to mid-war mountain boot. This particular pair was made by Wehrmacht Shoes, and the quality is outstanding. I can make a separate care and cleaning video in the future. Please let me know in the comments. Lastly are the gaiters themselves. I begin by tucking my boot laces away so they don't interfere. The gaiters lace from bottom to top along the outer ankle and have 2 additional tightening buckles. This metal bar fastens under your boot and must be faced downward. Make sure all your straps are facing the correct way, and you should be good to go.